An earthquake of magnitude 5.6 occurred only 11 minutes ago 44 kilometers southeast of Bislig City, Philippines, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC) reported. The quake hit at an intermediate depth of 73 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Bislig City, Surigao del Sur, Caraga, Philippines, late at night on Saturday, December 23, 2023, at 10:22 p.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFZ), which listed it as a magnitude 5.4 earthquake.